Hi guys, so today we're going to do unboxing the mic. So I bought this from eBay. Gusto ko talaga siya mabili noon pa, but this time I'm just gonna show you guys, and I don't know how to set up this one, but let's figure it out. I'm sure na-excite ko ako nito because I love singing, although I'm not a singer, but I do love singing using this mic. Hopefully it works. Yeah. So, lagyan lang natin dito. So, ito pala yung ano niya, yung parang foam mic siya. Yan. Look at this. Alright. So, set aside. So, another thing, the mic itself. And then, yan ang siya nito. Iwan ko anong tawag dito. And then, meron siyang madaming mga bagay-bagay inside. So, I have no idea what's inside, but as I said, let's figure it out. Since we have yung susundan po natin, yung instruction kung paano. Ayan. So, broadcasting and recording microphone. So, this is how we install it. So, meron ditong frequently asked question if you really need to ask question. And mga manual niya nandito. So, okay. Next, we have this stand. I don't know if this is the stand. So, meron tayo nito. Ma-fold siya. Pwede natin i-fold. Pwede natin pahabain. Pwede natin paigsiin. It's up to you guys. How do you prepare putting up this one? Scary. So, meron siya mga tools kung paano siya ikabit-kabit. Hindi yung kabit na ano ha. Yung may stress. Yung kabit. Okay, so meron na siya dito. So, let's start. Natin gagawin siya. Yan po. So, that's the first step. So, what we're gonna do, we have to like paglagyan natin, mayroon tayong paglagyan. Okay, iwan ko kung makita nyo guys. Yan, so try this way. Naman siyang sharp object na pwedeng makapag-scratch ng table po natin. I love my table, so I don't want it scratch. Alright, next. So, this will understand. Kung saan po natin i-hook yung microphone natin. So, it might be this way. I told you, I'm not very good on this, but let me just try my best. My best. Okay. So, there's a hook. Yung para i-twist mo siya. Kung paano malalak. Hopefully. Alright. Next. Number 4. This one. So, same as this one. Alright. So, let's open it. Oh, should be here. Should be here. Alright. So far okay naman kasi kasya. Pag kasya, so that means para talaga yan siya dito. So, iti-twist lang natin para mag-lock. We're just gonna simply follow it. Okay, next. Yon. So, this is the most exciting one. Number 5. Which is number 5. And then this one. Alright. So, I bought this in eBay for just only $25. So, not bad. And it's not, it's not expensive at all. Let me try this way. Kung kasya. So, para lagyan lang pala ito siya ng mic. Ayan. para secure po yung mic po natin. O, diba? Okay, so, i-antay lang natin to. Siguro nasa mga 3 meters. Yeah, mga 3 meters yung wire. So, sobrang haba niya. So, kahit uupo ka pa ng 3 meters away from the mic, pwede. So, that's how beautiful it is. Okay. This one here. So, ito yung pang number 5. Wait. I wanna make sure na kuan siya. Kasi may tatlong butas dito. So, make sure na naka-attach po siya. There you go. Yan. So, this one, saksak sa ilong. But anyway, let's try and find out again. Since we already figured this out already. Next, number 5, number 6 na tayo. Ayun na pala number 6, yung naka-attach na Ayun, so number 7. Alright. If the mic is going this way, look at this, number 7. Pwede pala siya ma-bend. Ayan siya. Yung spring niya, pwede siya ma-bend. So, ito yung parang yung echo ng voice mo, hindi siya pumupunta-punta kahit saan. Well, I don't know. Parang assuming na ako nito, guys. But I don't know what I'm doing right here. Just this way. Okay. Almost. Dapat ita-tight natin ang yung pagka-lock para sigurado na hindi maano. Ayan. So, tama ba? Siguro, tama. Tama. Tama nga siya. Look at the instruction number 7. Kita niyo ba, guys? Yan na siya. So, ito yung kanina. Kung saan ko siya hinanapan ng mapaglagyan nito. Itong spring na to. So, no other place to put this one. But, just this one only here. Kasi may malapad na bagay dito, guys. Kung saan i-hook yan dito. Yung yung pinaglagyan ko nitong malapad na, ewan ko ano tawag dyan. Okay guys, so meron tayong ganito kung saan ipa-plug yung mic po natin. And then after that, we can just either use our laptop or our desktop. Since I got my desktop here, so either you can use your phone or desktop. So I got my desktop, so I'm gonna use my desktop instead. Okay, so let's gonna try and put it this way, how it's gonna work, and then let's try.